Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Chicco Fit2 and how to buckle the child in this car seat properly. Now remember, before you use your car seat, always read the manual of your car seat so you know how everything works properly. All right? The first thing you're going to want to know is how to loosen and tighten the straps. On the front of the car seat here, there is a black strap that you pull on in order to tighten. When you want to loosen it, you're going to do two things. Number one, you're going to hold down the orange button with one hand, and then your other hand is going to pull away from the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it. The straps will always stay even. The second adjustment feature is the headrest and the shoulder straps moving up higher. As the child gets taller, to move it, you're going to lift up this tab to unlock the headrest, and then you can slide this up or down. For a smaller child, you'll leave it at the lowest level, but as they get taller, you're going to gradually raise it. And the way to know when to raise it is you want to look at the child's shoulder. Once their shoulder passes this line here, then you know it's time to raise it up. The child's shoulder should always be between the shoulder straps and the line where the headrest starts. So anywhere in that middle range. So now that we know how the car seat adjusts, we're going to loosen the straps all the way first. We're going to move the straps out of the way. We're going to grab our baby and we're going to set them in the car seat. Because the straps are loose, it's going to make it easier to buckle them in. So get their arms through and make sure the straps are going over the shoulder. You're going to slide the retainer clip together. The two bottom straps go over the child's legs, and the metal piece clips into the red bottom buckle. Now that the child is strapped in, we can begin to tighten it. The first place you want to tighten is the legs. You don't want to pull on the tightening strap right off the bat, because if you only pull from here, it's only going to tighten the slack on top of the baby's shoulders. The slack over the legs are going to stay loose. So here, let's tighten the legs first. You want to pull up on both sides evenly. Now the legs are snug. We're going to move the chest clip down temporarily. Our goal is to pull all the slack from the legs and bring it up to the baby's shoulder. So then when you do pull on the front tightening strap, everything will tighten up at once. The way to know the straps are snug enough is with two fingers, you're going to pinch on top of the baby's shoulder. If you can make a loop, then it's still too loose. You're going to keep tightening until you can't pinch a loop on top of their shoulder. If you're worried the straps are too tight, see if your finger can fit underneath there. And you always want to check on the shoulder. If your finger can fit between your shoulder and the harness, then you know the straps are not too tight on the baby. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to move the retainer clip all the way up. You want to make sure it's level with the baby's armpits. And every time you put the baby in the car seat, you're going to do the same exact routine. When you're ready to remove the baby from the car seat, you're going to push this front button here. You're going to loosen the straps. Now that the straps are loose, it's going to make it easier to unbuckle the little one and get them out of the car seat. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.